Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Lenovo Flex 5 laptop. The Lenovo Flex 5 has been a best-selling product from the range, attracting massive audience drooling over the compact, comfortable and easy-to-use device that one can seamlessly carry with them without any confusion. The IdeaPad Flex 5 gives you more creative choices by blending performance, connectivity, entertainment and affordability with a sleek design and feel. Proudly powered by AMD Ryzen 5 4500U mobile processor with Radeon graphics, the IdeaPad Flex 514 offers you excellent all-around performance, graphics and more productivity in a flexible device built to be what you need it to be. A physical shutter on the webcam ensures you keep out unwanted attention when you are concerned about your privacy. The IdeaPad Flex 5 is built with a new level of attention to detail, making this machine soft and comfortable to the touch with a durable paint that creates a better user experience. Enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life, plus quick charge to 80% in just 1 hour. Our second best laptops for college students is Apple MacBook Air laptop. MacBook Air, which is Apple's one of the most loved devices that has been tweaked and developed to provide with twice the CPU performance and 80% more of the graphics performance. This provides the users with the ease of getting their work done in a much more seamless way without any issues or glitch. This makes it suitable for gaming as well. In addition to that, the 256GB enhanced storage allows the users to store more data and keep every single photo, video or even game stored in the device without having to worry about the same. This new MacBook Air has also been integrated with a 13 Retina display that ensures vivid visuals without any concerns at all. The Touch ID allows better security and keeps your data secured from the prying eyes. All your existing apps work, including Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft 365, and Google Drive. Plus you can use your favorite iPhone and iPad apps directly on Mac OS. Altogether you'll have access to the biggest collection of apps ever for Mac. All available on the App Store. Third in our list is Apple MacBook Pro. If you do want better performance and an even better user experience, then this Apple MacBook Pro will be the one of the best for you. The device does come with some amazing improvement in the specs but with a standard price point, which is quite amazing as well. The silver or the space gray color does stand out and looks stunning with a very premium look and finish to it that you just can't find with anything else around. The device 11.97 by 8.36 by 0.61 inches in dimensions, which is slightly thicker than the previous models. The device weighs around 3.1 pounds, for a professional laptop though, the size and the weight is pretty standard and something that most people would be comfortable carrying around. The device runs on the Mac OS Catalina, which provides with a very smooth and responsive user experience. Number 4 in our best laptops for college students list is Acer Chromebook Spin. If you're a fan of the Chrome OS for its responsiveness and quick access to Google Apps, you will find plenty to love in the new Chromebook Spin 713. Without a doubt, the spin design of this convertible gives it a distinct edge in terms of portability. The 360-degree hinge is tested to be reliable and supports easy transformation into 4 modes, that is notebook, display, tent and tablet. The tent mode is a modification of the display mode. It comes in handy when you need to view content in cramped spaces such as airplanes. As for the tablet mode, it is your go-to for computing on the run. In this compact but fully functional mode, you can complete all your everyday tasks like checking email or editing documents without the need for a stationary workstation. The operating system is protected from viruses, updates on its own, and offers a response time unlike any other. The best part is still the ease with which you can use your favorite Google apps, converting documents and spreadsheets into Google Docs and Sheets in a blink. Our last pick is Acer Swift 3 Thin and Light Laptop. If you have used an Acer device before, chances are that you know how amazing their Swift series is. With a sleek aluminum and magnesium aluminum metal chassis, high screen-to-body ratio and long-lasting battery, the Swift 3 notebook is the perfect companion for those on the go. This ultra-portable notebook is only 2.6 pounds and only 0.63 inches thin and features an AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor and long-lasting battery for hours of productivity. The elegant silver chassis delivers eye-popping graphics on its 14-inch Full HD IPS display for the most memorable multimedia experience. Watch more on less. With the 0.21-inch narrow bezels and an impressive 82.73% screen-to-body ratio, you get to see more of the vivid 14-inch 16:9 FHD IPS screen. An embedded fingerprint reader is a quick and secure way for Windows Hello to verify your identity without a password. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!